Welcome back to Introduction to Engineering Design. Today what we're going to talk about is an introduction to SOLIDWORKS. And before we can really start SOLIDWORKS, we have to understand a few things about the file structure that we're using in class in our labs. So what I'm going to show you here is in every class laptop under the C drive, which is under my flashing cursor, you're going to find a directory or a folder that's titled ~WW Engineering. Inside of this folder, you'll find several subfolders, one for each hour of the day, 0 through 7th hour, an autosave folder, a template folder, and then a weldment profile folder. This is where you'll save your work. So if you're in first hour, you'll want to save your work to the first hour file. And you should be the only one in that laptop on that hour, so your work should be safe here. You can save it on My Documents, but realize that resides in the cloud, and sometimes that doesn't sync particularly well. SOLIDWORKS has a little bit of a problem with that when your drive disconnects when you're in the middle of working on a project. So I would recommend you always use the appropriate hour. Now the other thing I want to point out to you down here is this folder, this file, called Mr. Saxon IED.SLDREG. Now what this is a configuration file for SOLIDWORKS. And I'll show you in the next video how we start SOLIDWORKS and set it up. But realize that's where this file resides. So we've got a folder structure for you to use on the C drive. Thanks for watching.